Welcome back to my channel. Like always, I'm How To Tech Tips, and I hope you enjoy my videos. And of course, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share any of my videos. If you guys have any requests, please comment in the comment section below. Or you can email me. My email is in the description below. Windows will automatically check for new updates every time you have automatic maintenance set. It's just how it is. Windows 10 updates by itself. That's how it's set by default. So today I will be showing you guys how to enable and disable automatic updates in Windows 10. I will be showing you guys two different ways. For those of you that don't know how to get to the services page, I will show you guys how to do that right now. So the toolbar or the start search, we will type in services and left click on that. And we'll let this load. And we'll expand this a little bit wider. And then from here, we're going to look for Windows Update. This is alphabetical order. We're going to go down. Windows Update. Just Windows Update. So it'll be this one. And we will left click twice on that one, and you should get something like this. And from here you will see that its startup type is manual. If you want to disable it, we will click disabled and then apply and then OK. And then when you want to enable it, then you can just do automatic or manual. If you do manual, then you'll just have to go through the settings and just check it again, or do a Windows update check. So I'll just leave my settings how they are. So that's the first way. And the second way is you can set up a metered connection. So the second way would be you would go to Start and then Settings. And from the settings, we'll make this a little bit bigger. From the settings, we will go to Network and Internet. And from here, I have Wi-Fi connection. We can also do it for Ethernet connection as well. But we'll just go Wi-Fi for now. And from here, we will see that metered connection is turned off. We'll put this on. And Windows will not do a Windows update at all. It just blocks it for whatever reason. It won't let you update. And when you are done with this, you can just turn it off if you want to do the automatic update. And here as well, I'll just show you guys real quick. Ethernet, you can set it as well right here. And turn it off. And that's basically it. And that's how you guys would enable and disable automatic updates for Windows Update in Windows 10. That's a tongue twister, but I'll just leave it at that. Thanks for watching. I'm How To Tech Tips. Keep teching on.